Are you tired of scattered notes, missed sessions, and outdated materials? It's time to switch to Green International's all-in-one LMS dashboard. Join live classes with expert trainers. Just one click and you're in. Missed a session? Watch full recorded lessons anytime. Pause, rewind, learn your way. Follow a guided curriculum that tracks your progress step by step. No confusion, no guesswork. Practice with real mock exams. Get instant answers, feedback, and performance reports. Everything you need: live classes, recordings, curriculum, mock tests, all in one powerful dashboard. Study smarter, learn faster, get certified quicker. This is the Green International LMS, built for your success. Visit our website, greenintl.net.